Hello, I'm Antoine Falisse from the KU Leuven. This year at Dynamic Walking, I'd like to present a framework we developed to perform predictive simulations of walking. The framework combines computationally efficient numerical methods, including direct collocation and automatic differentiation, and relies on OpenSim and Casali. Using that framework, we could perform predictive simulations of walking in less than an hour while using complex musculoskeletal models. We exploited that computational efficiency to investigate different walking control models by varying the objective function of our optimization problems. We first tested an objective function where the most emphasis is on minimizing metabolic energy and muscle fatigue. The resulting walking pattern is close to the expected pattern, although the model shows too much lateral bending. When putting less emphasis on minimizing metabolic energy, the model shows less lateral bending but walks with a crouch gait. This confirms that walking combines multiple performance criteria, and finding those criteria will be at the core of our future work.